I'm Hannah Gigley, owner of the Lux Staging and Decorating Company. In 2012, I originally started Lux to help our real estate clients with their decorating and renovation needs. What started out as a staging company soon grew into a full-fledged renovation and decorating company, meeting the design needs of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex simply by word of mouth. My goal was to create a company unlike any other, offering decorating and design services in a way that gave our customers the opportunity to be a part of the process as little or as much as they desired. I realized that many people have a design heart and all they needed was a little encouragement in their decision making to bring their designs and decisions to life. At Lux, we believe that everyone should have beauty in their home or office, and we strive to bring affordable options to our clients. We work within our client's budget, whether it is one room or a large-scale project. Understanding someone's personal style can be challenging, but my team and I are skilled at asking the right questions in the right way to get down to the heart of what they truly want. Nothing thrills us more than watching those designs come to life. We have also created systems and processes for a seamless project, so the client is never wondering what is next in their project. Whether you need help shopping for accessories and artwork, choosing what paint you should use and where, styling a few rooms, furniture placement, or a complete renovation, we have trusted resources, vendors, and even design discounts that we pass to our clients, making it the most unique design experience you will find. Lux is happy to meet with you for a complimentary consultation to discuss your project and see if we are a good fit. We provide gorgeous, inspired results for any budget, and we can't wait to get started. Whether you are staging to sell or decorating to stay, we can help your design ideas come to life. Your style, only better.